Are you ready for the Social Club Challenge? Okay, here's your weekly online summary in under 2 minutes. Let's go! Good news for lovers of a good tweak. Photoshop is finally launching a one-click automatic selection functionality called Select Subject. It is powered by artificial intelligence and promises to provide some great montages. Things are shaking up on social networks too. Twitter would like to encourage users to publish videos on its platform in order to imitate, surprise, surprise, Snapchat. Instagram, on the other hand, has just signed a partnership with the leader of GIFs, GIFI, to authorize the publishing of animated stickers in users' stories. And at Facebook, there are dreams of competing with Twitch and YouTube through live video game streaming where gamers get paid through a donation system. And finally, without any transition, we all know the name of the most viral company on the internet, KFC. What exactly are the head of KFC's engineers thinking? Hard to say, but their latest find should once again break the internet. The company has just announced the short-lived sale of a chicken box that transforms into a drone that can be piloted with a smartphone. The self-assembled Kentucky flying object is only available in India, but it's being talked about everywhere. And that's the whole point, getting rid of the old-fashioned image of kernel senders and taking hold of cyberculture to propose unexpected products like the Internet Escape Pod for 8,000 euros or the phone charging lunchbox. Well, we're not really sure about the edible chicken-flavored nail polish, but it's still a good example of online communication. Social Media Challenge episode 343. This time, it's happening on Weibo, China's main social network, where ingenious online users find more and more ways to transform their terrible just-woke-up faces into complete nonsense. The idea is simple. Face the camera as if you just woke up, toss a scarf across the screen, and then shazam! And it's true that if we had to choose, we would prefer this to the Tide Pod Challenge, where irresponsible teens set out to swallow capsules of detergent. Well, I'll let you practice the Karma is a Bitch Challenge while I'm off for a nap. See you next week.